Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to see the battery life for your Joy-Con controllers on your Nintendo Switch. So if you look in the upper right side of the screen, this is the battery for your Nintendo Switch. Now I have it plugged into the TV, so it's always going to be at 100%. But to find the actual battery for your controllers, we want to go to the home screen and then go to the controller options right here. Then if you look in the bottom left, you can see there's battery symbols next to the Joy-Con controllers right there. So you kind of have to estimate it, but mine should be at least 90 to 100%. So if you see it like halfway, you probably want to go ahead and charge the controllers. And it's very easy to charge these. All you have to do is reconnect them to your Nintendo Switch when they're plugged in to the dock, and that will charge it up. So it's very easy to go ahead and do that. So just plug them in, boom, boom, and it will charge up. So hopefully this video did indeed help at all. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.